Right, I'm here, so I'm at the start point. That's the kind of foothills that lead up onto the ridge, start point. And the reservoir is up at the sort of end of this long steep road. Nice view of the Menai already, just from here. Starts at a little bit of altitude, which helps. And that's it really, so I'm going to crack on, and I'll get some footage when we're up towards the ridge.
So we're going to go down to
To the reservoir edge. There's an EU sign on there. Do you think they'll have to remove that if there's Brexit? It's the ascent route there.
We've gone to Hannah, Midge didn't like sunlight, but I think she's wrong.
Huh. When I came here last, there were loads of midges on the top.
Yeah?
Yeah.
At the same time of year?
Yeah, probably. But it's weird because I've never had that anywhere else. Beautiful, isn't it? It's on this steep scree section. It's really steep now all the way up to the top. A little bit of scrambling to do, but mostly just a bit slippery underfoot. See you in a bit. A bit of route. It's a pretty good camera. But
Yeah. I've never used one.
I was saying to Neil, it's this boulder field bit now, isn't it?
Yeah.
That looks pretty cool. Last time I came up here there was no really bad weather, so hopefully get a bit of a view today. Bit of gentle scrambling there. Incredible view from here. Snowdon, Igarn and Glidders and Trevam, Cardnedd Y. Amazing. Camera probably doesn't pick it up, but the train's going up Snowdon there. See the steam, it's pretty cool. Up the Lamberis route. Followed up with these two guys, Neil and Philip. They're local. Well, Philip's from London, Neil's local. Met in the car park and we're doing the same route, so we agreed to go up together, which was nice because it's nice to have a bit of company. A bit safer that way really as well. Beautiful today, couldn't be better views wise. Just crossed another boulder field, and this is the last push now up to the summit. Follow the track and then up to there, hopefully about 10 minutes and we'll be there. Well, definitely one of my favourite summits in Snowdonia, if not my favourite. The views are amazing of the sea, the Menai Straits, over into Anglesey. Oh, I'm knackered after that. It's short but steep. Well, not mega short, but it's not like a hugely long distance, but very steep climb. Come around this way. Little summit shelter. It's like a pyramid, this mountain here, and look at this beautiful view down into the valley. See the road, it gives you a bit of perspective of how high we are. Snowdon there, and Great view across. Absolutely brilliant. There you go. So this is Mark.
Hiya.
All right.
Yeah. Subscribe to Adam's channel if you're not already doing it.
There you go. See, so Mark's done this one before. I'm sure hasn't used any of my advice to get up here. And Mark's come from the ridge route on the far side there, which I might do on the way back. But yeah, thanks for watching, and
You're welcome.
it's good to meet like-minded people in beautiful places, isn't it? Yeah.
Pleased to meet you, Adam.
Cool, put it there. Nice one.
You know what's over there, don't you?
Yeah, all the
Penarole Win and
yeah.
Wailing.
That's a tough old slog, that one, isn't it?
Yes, once you crack Penarole Win, it's pretty easy.
Not too
Sorry,
bad from there, is it? No,
yeah.
it's cracking. No. Just at the Menai Perfed summit. Met a chap called Chris now, who I'm walking with. The fourth person of the day. Really nice bloke. View into Ogwen Valley from here. Back to Elidir. Brilliant view here, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, you've got it all, haven't you, Ed? You've got the whole of the Cardnedd.
You can see my car at last, which is reassuring. Thanks for company.
No, my pleasure. I
Lovely.
think that's the, isn't that the thing beyond Llandudno?
Well, I've just done one of the Adam Radford Walks textbook descents, not through all that shitty boulder field. But Mark, who I met earlier, advised to stick to bear to the right hand side, which I've done. And thank you very much, Mark, because you've just found me a path. And that goes down there, then to that tarn, and then back home. And I'm very keen to get home and have a beer now. So thanks, Mark. You have done me a world of favours there. Not only in recommending this little route, because it's stunning, but helping me find the path. So thanks for that, mate. That's cracking. Well, here you go. Lovely view of the Menai from here. And the reservoir and the road. Going back down onto the road. That's what I've come down off, so lots of scree and things. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that one. Quite good. I feel a bit tired now, but I suppose that's fair enough. Lovely little circuit that, and well recommended. So glad you enjoyed that one. And big thanks to Mark and Chris and Neil and Phil. So I met 4 individual people on this trip. 2 guys on the way up, 1 guy on the way down, who gave me some good bit of advice. And shout out to him as being a follower, so that was cool. And a guy called Chris on the end. So I planned to do a walk on my own, but ended up not being on my own, which was really nice. Because I don't do it out of choice, just sometimes there's not anyone to go with. So that was lovely. And I tell you what, my uncle said that when you come and do stuff like this, you meet really nice people, because it takes, you know, really nice, you know, well motivated people, I think, that love nature and their kind of surroundings, that come out and do this. So makes sense, really. Right, I'm off to the car. See you next time.